Welcome to the Hilton Waco. This beautiful hotel is right in the heart of downtown, just steps from the suspension bridge and the Riverwalk. It's a perfect spot to relax and enjoy your Waco getaway. So here's the Hilton Waco. That's the convention center right next door here. The Waco Convention Center. You walk in. There's all the conference rooms down here. And right over here, straight ahead, there's a Starbucks, the restaurant. I think they've got a bar here too. There's an ATM machine, and then the check-in desk. And then here's the elevator with a shoe shine area. Here's your shoe sign. And then here's to the pool. Oh, there's also for ice. I'll check out the pool later on. This is the check-in area and a seating area for you to relax. Right behind the front desk, there's a small snack shop, perfect for grabbing a quick bite or drink. Right by the lobby, there's the grill. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, we have 2 double beds or 2 queen beds at the Hilton Hotel Waco. When you first walk in, to the right-hand side is your bathroom. And here's your tub. Closet with your iron and iron board. This hotel is right next to the convention center, so it's perfect location for that. Here's your beds, coffee maker. Let's see if this is a little refrigerator. Here's your TV. Not sure where all the lights are. I just walked in here myself. There's one. And then, so here you can see, so there's a spice market right there. There's a Ninfa's. There's the silos. So it's a great location. We're right in downtown. It's really pretty views. A little bow on the toilet paper. So there is a shower cap, makeup removers. What's this? A vanity pack, mouthwash, hand soap, and then there's your body lotion. And then in the bathroom, okay, and then there's your Crabtree shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, right there. So where the coffee maker and ice bucket is. There's a safe. And the refrigerator. It's not a huge pool. But this is nice, like a seating area. Look at the squirrel.
Really, a little squirrel.
The outdoor area features a spacious covered seating space, perfect for relaxing or visiting with friends. Directly across the street, you'll find Waco's iconic suspension bridge and bronze cowboy sculptures. Perfect place to take a photo. The city looks so beautiful, all lit up at night. It's time to say goodbye to Waco. Be sure to like and subscribe for more travel vlogs and check out my other video to see everything we did on our weekend trip.